Hey guys, I'm finally back. But first, let's get some coffee. There's just something about an espresso machine that makes the coffee taste so good. I'm not too sure, is it because of the capsules that I'm currently using, or is it just because I'm a huge coffee drinker? So anyways, welcome back everyone. I know it's been a long while since I last posted a video. I was spending more time to think about where the content on this channel should be headed towards, and I've kind of decided that I want it to be around a few topics, mainly lifestyle, where you see the things that I do on a day-to-day basis, tech related still, but instead of doing like pure tech reviews, I'm thinking about how can I incorporate tech products into my daily life, and lastly, photography stuff, more behind the scene footages of what goes down. So photography is something that's very new to me. I've only started learning it a few months ago. To be honest, I did not really put much thought into what today's content would be all about. I wanted to show you guys one of the new products that I've gotten from Creative. Let me get it out. It's just right here. So this is something that Creative has sent over. It's the Pebble X Plus. So I will share with you guys more on what these speakers are all about and how you can add it onto your own desk setup. For this table here, I call it my productivity desk. I want it to be as clean as possible. So this is why, looking at the desk, you can see that there are only a few things that I have on my desk, and they are very specific. The star attraction of today's video is... First, let me try and unbox this product. Let's go. Okay, so we have finally unboxed the entire Pebble X Plus, and I just wanted to share with you guys a bit more on Creative. So Creative is actually a local company from Singapore. They have been distributing a lot in US, but I think right now they are definitely making a comeback to the Singapore market, and they have been really pushing out some amazing soundbars and also speaker. There is actually an entire range of Pebble speakers. So going from just Creative Pebble to Pebble X and now the Pebble X Plus. And so the difference between all of which is that it comes at a different price point. And for this Creative Pebble X Plus, it comes with this really cute looking subwoofer here that you see. So this is how the speaker looks like. It is sitting 45 degrees pointing upwards. So the reason for that is that it's supposed to be pointing towards you. On the right side, this is the master controller, where you control all the settings. So the first thing you'll notice about these two speakers is that it's tied together. So which means that the distance between the two speakers cannot be super far apart. It has to be within the range of this cable. And of course, you've got this cable right here that goes directly into the subwoofer here at the back. What are some of the other accessories that comes with it? You have your 3.5mm aux cable, and you have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can actually have this connected up directly from the speaker to your laptop using USB-C. If you have a power adapter that outputs a minimum of 30 watts and above, what you can do is you can plug the cable directly from the speaker to the power adapter to deliver a richer bass. So that is something that you should take note of. First impressions looking at these speakers is that it looks super cute, and I really love the subwoofer. Like, to me, I love products that are small in size yet deliver powerful and rich sound. It's compact, it's very lightweight, and you can pretty much place this anywhere on your desk. So let me just set this up and let's see how it looks like when we turn it all on. So if you do not know how the speaker works, it's actually very simple. There's only a few buttons here on the master controller. You have your Bluetooth, the LED light, and of course this is where you turn it on and off. So in order to turn it on, all you have to do is just hold it on for 1 second, and you'll see that.
Now in pairing mode, waiting for connection.
And as you can see, that is when the Bluetooth is connected. You can see how it changes color. What we are going to do right now is that we are going to be testing the sound. So I'll be playing some songs and let's just see how the speaker sounds like. It's pretty nice, huh? I'm not even at the max yet. I think I'm only at like 40%. It can go really loud. Oh my god. I'm really impressed with the sound quality and the bassiness of the subwoofer. So what do you guys think about the speakers here? So if you guys did not know, Creative's Pebble range of speakers are actually super popular in the market. It doesn't take up much desk space, as you guys can see. And now I'm thinking, should I be using this or should I be using the soundbar, because they both perform so well. The good thing is I have another desk where it doesn't have any speakers, so I could either have it right here or transfer it to the other one. So this is my take on the Creative Pebble X Plus speakers. Honestly, I think that it's a great sounding speaker for the price that you're paying for. If you are planning to use this in a small room like this, it can go super loud. The subwoofer is great. Let me know what you guys think about this speaker itself. I'm going to be moving more towards these kind of videos. So if you guys enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the video. I will be putting out a lot more videos, be it tech, lifestyle, or photography related. So if not everyone, take care. I will see you guys again on the next video.